Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we continue on Interstate 85 in the Commonwealth of Virginia, beginning at mile 15 in Mecklenburg County. I-85 here continues to be very rural, but the scenery is interesting, so sit back and enjoy the ride. We enter Brunswick County, which has an estimated population of 16,243. Brunswick County is best known as the origin place for Brunswick stew. The original Brunswick stew, according to Brunswick County historians, was created in 1828 by an African-American chef, Mr. Jimmy Matthews, also referred to as Uncle by some locals. As the story goes, Dr. Creed Haskins of Mount Donum on the Nottoway River, a member of the Virginia State Legislature, took several friends on a hunting expedition. While the group hunted, Mr. Matthews, Haskins' enslaved camp cook, hunted squirrel for the evening meal. Mr. Matthews slowly stewed the squirrels in butter with onions, stale bread, and seasoning in a large iron pot. When the hunting party returned, they were reluctant to try the new thick concoction, but one taste convinced them to ask for more. Since that time, Brunswick stew has been prepared by many different stew masters. It is often associated with the harvest season in the fall and completion of tobacco processing. Cooks produce large batches of the Virginia ambrosia for church functions, local fundraisers, family reunions, and political rallies. Each cooking generation adds its variation to Jimmy Matthews' recipe for Brunswick stew. Chicken has been substituted for squirrel and vegetables have been added. We pass through the small town of Alberta, which has an estimated population of 283. Alberta has an elevation of 397 feet or 121 meters above sea level. This is not to be confused with the Alberta in Canada. We conclude today's video at exit 39. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to help support our channel, please check out our merchandise at shop.spreadshirt.com/504roadtrips. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share, and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.